Alright, hey everyone, Mike from Good Day for Decay here. So today we got the Spirit Halloween Black Jumping Spider. So bought this last year and it's right at the end of the season. Bought it for half price, which really wasn't that great of a deal because they don't go by the price it was, which was I think like 60 bucks or something like that. They actually went by the original price, which was $90, and it was half of that. So it really wasn't that great of a deal. So you got to be careful on some of the stuff that you buy. So let's pop this open and let's see what we got. Okay, got the instructions. Wait, hold on. Get underneath it. Want to grab those small plastic pieces? Right there. Grab those. These are all the feet, the feet pieces. Another one. Let's get this out of the way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. In the box. Or throw it back there. Get this wire out of the way.
How do you see the spider?
So this guy, I know you got to do this for these. Boop. And this will run on battery or a foot thing. The foot thing is kind of like what you see at Spirit. They're small. They're kind of cheesy. They don't give it to you. You have to buy it. So I'm not sure if these are marked. If not, oh yeah, they are marked. C. Thank you, assistant. A. Click.
I'm a hamster.
You're a hamster? Yeah, you're a hamster, right?
I
B.
didn't say I'm a hamster. I said this. I have some TV.
Oh. And C.
Yeah.
Pretty basic to put it together. Doesn't
This
really.
is when the button goes and you hold your foot.
Let's see what this guy even looks like. He's like all wound up in here and spider webs and.
Yeah, I'm a spider web.
I see him in there. There he is. Put the box down, buddy. Okay, you want to start pulling his feet apart? Start pulling them up. You got to pull them this way. There you go. And this covers the whole contraption here. And there's a Velcro on the back side.
Soft.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
So every piece has a piece of Velcro.
Oh my
So
god.
every foot that you have, you Velcro a piece on. We shall see how it stays. Probably will pop. It's spider webs.
Real?
Really? So that was like super basic to put together. So let me go get some batteries because I just forgot them.
Batteries?
Batteries. Let me go get batteries and we'll throw batteries and let's see how this puppy works. Because we know it scares a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get batteries. Yeah, right. Got the batteries. Pop the batteries in. It has one little screw, holds the cover on. A lot of things do that anymore. So you need a very small screwdriver. We'll get these 4 AA's. Put the cover on. And put the screw back in. Very small screw. I normally don't buy props from Spirit because do they look cool? Yeah, they look cool, but they're kind of junky. They don't last. If you're lucky, if you get a season, maybe 2 seasons tops out of your props. That's why I make my own stuff. All right. On off switch, anything. Here's if you have a cord, you can plug the cord in instead of batteries. And you can also, there's a little port here as well you can do for a foot pad, but their foot pads are very small. I mean, their foot pads I think are like this big. They're kind of worthless. So let's see, there's an on and off switch here. I don't see one here. All right, so I'm going to find the switch. It's saying there's a switch there, and couldn't find the switch because there's a little tag on this that says attach 2 springs as shown before operating. It's underneath. Who would have figured? But yeah, you have to connect these. There's 2 little springs here, these 2 springs, and that's what springs it up into action. So let's put this on. My cat's going crazy. Here, you go do that. I'll show the go ahead, you go by. Go ahead, do that again. I'll show the cat. Go ahead, touch him. Go touch him. He's freaking out. Yeah, he was doing it worse before. It's pretty cool. Walk in front of it, see if it goes off. I don't know if it has a sensor when you walk by, or if it's just noise. It's noise.
Every time it jumps, it still gets scared.
So it's voice, it's sound activated. Oh, pretty cool. I spent around, I want to say about, give or take, $50 or so on it. And like I said, I usually don't buy these. I usually don't buy these props. But this was one of the things I did buy. Probably one of the only actual props I have. I do have a few I bought used before, but none from actually Spirit, getting them that way. I'll shut this off. But it is cool. We've seen them, you know, they are there every year for sale. So last year I thought I was getting a decent deal, but I could have just did the same thing during any part of October and using a 20% off coupon and getting it pretty much at the same price. So waiting till the end kind of really didn't matter, because you really don't get a deal on it anyway. So, because it is a $9.99, and they're on sale usually $59.99, $69.99. So then with 20% off, so it's basically the same thing. Actually, probably cheaper if you buy it in October. So, but definitely next year I will decorate, probably full on again. Hopefully this, this Halloween season 2011 or 2021, we'll get this decorated up again, So, but guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Comment. It was quick, wasn't it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and there's a little notification bell. Hit that notification bell. I'll give you let you know when I have any videos coming out, and that's really about it. So, goofball. But anyway, guys, catch you in the next video. See ya. Bye.